Bruh. Bruh.
Everybody do the flop.
Bruh.
Guy liked to dance all the time, but he couldn't do it right no matter how hard he tried. He had two left feet from an accident of birth, and every time he danced, he always flopped face first.
Bruh.
As he jumped in the air, everybody turned and looked, and they pointed and they stared. He had a bright idea right before he hit the floor. He shouted,
Everybody do the flop.
"A new dance craze is born!"
Bruh.
To the flop, to the flop, everybody to the flop. To the flop, to the flop, everybody to the flop.
Bruh.
It was a viral sensation, everybody did the flop across the whole entire nation. He was front page news for his new dance move. Everyone wanted to join in his new dance crew.
Bruh.
Things started going wrong when a flop concert was interrupted by a bomb.
Bruh.
No matter what he tried, there was no going back for the to the flop guy.
Bruh.
To the flop, everybody to the flop. To the flop, to the flop, everybody to the flop. To the flop.
Bruh.
Trend, cause the flop might cause the whole world to end. He had to stop people from flopping on their faces. He tried to invent a new dance sensation.
Everybody do the don't fall down. Everybody do the stay in place. Everybody do the standing up.
Everybody don't do the flop.
Everybody do the don't fall down.
Keep your feet on the ground.
Everybody do the stay in place.
Please don't break your face.
Everybody do the standing up.
Don't even put your hands up. Everybody don't do the flop.
Bruh.
The to the flop guy couldn't make them all stop. They didn't like the new moves as much as the flop. They tuned him out and they all turned their backs. Yeah, they left him behind and they called him a hack. To the flop guy had nothing left to prove. Only one thing left that he knew how to do. It was in his blood, call it destiny or fate. He shouted,
Everybody do the flop.
and the earth began to shake.
Bruh.
To the flop, to the flop, everybody to the flop. To the flop, to the flop, everybody to the flop.
Bruh.
To the flop, everybody to the flop. To the flop, everybody to the flop. To the flop, everybody to the flop. Everybody to the flop.
And
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
be trying to do the longest bruh sound effect 2 you've ever seen. Let's see if I can pull this off. I don't have a drink, but I don't know. I think I can pull this off. Bruh.